Happy Friday, everybody. I'm working on some other videos, getting them pushed out, but in a moment of self-reflection, I was kind of thinking, why am I doing this? Really? Why am I doing this? I think that's a pretty natural question to ask, especially when you're putting some real time and effort into something, but I'd like to answer that for you. I really believe anyone can do this. Anyone can get ODOO implemented. That's not to say that you're going to do it all yourself, but you can do the major lifting. You can get this all together. You can organize it. You really can. So if you, like me, are stopping and reflecting, and you're asking yourself, can I do ODOO? Is this too big a lift for me? Let me give you 5 good reasons why you can. 1, you're a rock star. You've done harder things. You definitely have, especially if you come into this looking to scale your business or improve it. Well, you've already organized resources and people and created something amazing, and you're just trying to improve it. Going into ODOO is not going to be as hard as that. So believe in yourself. You are mighty. You can do this. 2, awesome base functionality. Tools you are given right now with ODOO, the base functionality that you're given is crazy compared to what it used to be. There is so much you can leverage inside of ODOO and little tweaks you can make that make it just do crazy things for your business. And if you understand how those apps work, how the data flows, oh, there's just so much you can do. And that's another reason you can do this. Number 3 is the support channels and the resources provided to you now. Again, it didn't used to be this way. But there are so many channels now and so many resources, including ODOO's documentation and their own channels that help you figure out how to use ODOO. These resources range from just walking you through basic functionality inside of ODOO to full-on development. It's all there. I obviously have a soft spot for this because I have my own channel, but I've put in my description some of my favorite channels and resources beyond this. But what if you just can't find your answer? Number 4. The ODOO community. The ODOO community is one of the most helpful I've seen between forums, Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn. I mean, there's so many different people that are willing to help you in your journey. If you put a question out there, 9 times out of 10, you'll get a pretty well thought out answer, which is better than I can say for a lot of different platforms. 5th, and finally, it's worth it. If we're super clear in our mind about what we want and why we want it, we're going to get there. We know that an ERP is going to make our business more scalable, more efficient. It's what we need. And so we're going to get it. We're going to get it done. So let's close this off properly. Am I saying you need to do all of this yourself? No, I'm not. There are great resources you can lean on for the stuff that you just don't want to do. But I will say that you can be the guiding force behind this. You can be the person scoping things out, figuring things out, making sure that it works for your company. And I would encourage you to do that. And if you find that you need a little bit more cheerleading or encouragement, please come back to my channel. I'm here to help you. And if you want some more direct cheerleading or coaching, reach out to me personally. I love to work with people to help them get ODOO in a state where it is useful for their company to where they can scale and grow and really achieve their dreams. It's something that really fulfills me. Yeah. Anyway, you got this. I believe in you. Go get it.